Introducing the Launch CNC-801 dual purpose on-car off-car fuel injection cleaning and carbon removal machine. This is the CNC-801. It is of sturdy construction mounted on 4 swivelling rubber casters which are lockable. Access through a roller door containing the injector flow bench with 8 graduated cylinders and the electronic control panel. Inside the lockable cabinet door is a ball bearing mounted drawer containing an extensive range of adapters and fittings. These are the adapter blocks into which the injectors are mounted for attaching to the flow bench. Above the drawer is a user's manual. A high-powered ultrasonic injector cleaning bath and a set of dedicated injector pulsing leads. The rear of the 801 contains a fuel filter, filter valves, fuel pump and sender unit. This function selects the ultrasonic bath, which can be programmed for selected cleaning periods. These periods can be varied from 1 hour down to 60 seconds, depending upon injector's condition. The following test sequences are fully adjustable. Test pressure in megapascals, RPM, injector pulse in milliseconds, injector pulses per minute, test time required in seconds, back flushing, balancing, which is checking the flow rate, spraying. Inspecting the spray pattern can be performed with precision. Within this function, injectors can be individually triggered. A timing light is provided to assist in observing the quality of the spray pattern. Sealing. Leaking injectors can be easily checked under pressure. Injecting. This function allows for the maximum flow at 100% duty cycle. Auto function simulates the operation of the injectors in a running engine. It has 3 separate modes. Mode 2, Mode 3. Within the auto mode, the pressure is adjustable. Here we have raised the pressure to 640 kilopascals. Select Mode 1 and then run. For this test, note the 15-second countdown timer. If the test fluid indicator is lower than 2 bars, a warning tone is heard. This function reveals faults of an injector failure at a specific RPM. A complete fully automatic cycle of this function lasts approximately 15 minutes. Mode 2 is to observe the spray pattern as RPM increases. This will reveal a suspect injector pattern at a particular RPM. Mode 3 injects full flow at 100% duty cycle for 30 seconds, drains and repeats 3 times. This mode also drives the injectors from 350 to 6000 RPM. Performing a comprehensive injector test. Handy for detecting injector temperature related problems. On-car cleaning is an important service procedure on both late and early vehicles. Present fuels produce large deposits of carbon on valves and pistons. If cleaned on a regular basis, an increase in service life of injectors will be expected. To start the on-car cleaning process, simply set the specified pressure, then run the pump. The condition of the return fuel can be observed through the sight glass. A comprehensive range of adapters is provided with quick-release couplings. The CNC-801 offers you the most complete method for servicing vehicle fuel systems. It is reasonably priced, reliable and easy to operate, giving you the opportunity to supply your customers the professional service they deserve. Take advantage of our offer for a personal presentation of this remarkable piece of equipment by contacting Terry or Gary on 0418 649 894 or 0439 400 615.